This is the Z36 flagship Android smartwatch. It's got 4 gigabytes of RAM. It's got 128 gigabytes of storage in it, and it's running the latest Android 10 with all these different controls here. You can get push notifications sent from your phone or any of these different stock apps and pretty much any Android app you want to put in it. Phone contacts and SMS have to do with the SIM that you insert on the side. No Bluetooth calling with this one or any of these Android watches. You've got overall settings, heart rate is in here, breath training is something new. You've got a browser, you've got 2 cameras, a front one and a side one on here. Gallery for your pictures, you got basic calendar, alarm clock, music player. You got an onboard recorder. You can voice record on this watch if you want to and manage all your files right there. Weather in your area is reported. You've got fitness, and you slide over here, you've got your instant start of all of the different fitness activities as well. Yes, it is integrated with GPS. Total desktop settings, standard Google stuff. Here's the real Google Play Store. Go in there, download any apps you're used to using on your phone, play them here on the watch. Google Maps is there. Optimization to make sure you're getting the best battery life. You even got a watch face store that you can download new and different watch faces. And of course you can put other ones that you can download from the web too. A basic app store, face unlock feature in here, and assistant for working with your tethering to a phone app, which of course you can do in iOS or in Android. And we've got a big selection of different watch faces. You can pick any of them you like and switch over to them. It's a really nice build. Got a solid rubberized TPU band on this one. Lots of holes. Should fit just about any arm. Relatively thin, not too terribly thick. A good solid back build, charger, and a separate power bank. A 900 milliamp hour slap-on power bank comes with this one as well. Again, it's called the Z36. Check it out.